And that idiot Dallas right there that stole my money.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah.
I want my money back!
What did I tell you about Yahoo? I know. Just stand over
If it wasn't for me, Yahoo's a dying thing.
Serious. Relax. Don't worry, Yahoo.
I'm always relaxed.
All right. Mad at each other. All right. Just stand there and I'll tell you why you're mad at each other. All right. The four of us just 2 days ago robbed the bank right down there in Williams. Now, can you remember 2 days ago?
Well, Dallas, can you remember?
Let me pick my brain.
Dallas! Hey, where your brains at?
Well, you're always telling me I got my head on right.
This kid's here.
Well, okay.
What about you, Tucker? Do you remember 2 days ago?
That bank,
That bank.
right down there.
Right down there.
I'm working on it.
Oh, you idiots! We robbed that bank, the four of us, 2 days ago. And we buried the money at the bottom of the Santa Fe Dam. Can't you remember that, Tucker? Can't you remember that, Dallas?
Yeah, I remember.
No. No more. No Yahoo.
Oh, come on, you gotta admit that was fun.
It was fun, but no. Not right now. Come on.
What?
It's a
Come
fun.
on, you're taking all the fun out of it.
Born to Yahoo.
Guys,
She told me that I'm a Yahoo.
keeping an eye on you. Watch it. All right, watch it. Now, something ain't right here.
I'll tell you what ain't right. These two idiots ain't right.
Well, besides that, let me think about this. All right. So, something ain't right at all.
Yeah, us two is what ain't right.
Well, I know that. You two morons ain't right at all.
Well, I didn't take the money, and I know you didn't take the money.
That's right. I didn't take the money if you didn't take the money. All right. Well, if you didn't take the money, I didn't take the money, then it must have been.
Folks, if you don't like loud noises, now would be a good time to put fingers in your ears.
Not you. Hey. Not
I don't
you.
like loud
Stick it.
noises.
No.
You can't shoot with your fingers in your
No.
ears.
Stop it. All right. You don't like loud noises. You are a loud noise. Stand back.
I knew I was gonna come.
All right. We ready now, Sam?
Okay.
Sam,
Are we ready? Yeah. One.
Wait.
What now?
I don't know about you, Sam, but I'm going to stand over here out of the way.
Okay. One.
2, 3. Hey, Dallas! Dallas!
I guess we ain't half as dumb as they thought we were.
Yeah, I guess not. So what are you going to do with your half of the money we dug from the bank when we dug out from the dam?
I'm gonna take my tourists to dinner.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Cataract Creek Gang!